In this video, I'll show you how to buy Nitro in Discord shop. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, buying a Nitro in Discord shop is something that requires you using capital to do it, right? It's not something that is free. So, making this video for educational purpose only, you need money to get Nitro, right? So, head over to your Discord account. This is our Discord, and for you to be able to see the Discord shop, you can see from this above list, this is the friends, the Nitro, the shop. So click on the shop right here. Once you have clicked on the shop, you'll see here lots of very good Discord Nitros, right? So you can select this. You can see how it will appear if I buy the Starlight wheels, right? So this one, there's a whole lot of them. Now for you to purchase it, you're gonna just click on that buy, right? And once you click on the buy, you'll be either asked to select a payment type, right? You can pay with your card, you can pay with PayPal, right? So you're going to choose anyone can pay with. Once you have paid it, you're going to get your Discord Nitro, right? So this is the Nitro. You can see Nitro here as well. So that was the shop. So here is where you can see, I think, a whole display of different kinds of Nitro. So I think you can pay for just $2.99, approximately $3, right? So you can subscribe for this or this. So they have the basic, they have the Nitro, like the major one. So if you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. Again, this video is for educational purpose only. I'm making it to share my thoughts on what you should know basically. Let me know what you guys think below in the comment section. I'm going to see you all in the very next